Edging is important because it provides finishing touches on a property. As you go up in quality level, those minute details are super important to a customer, and that's what they're paying for.
It has great power. With a gas one, you gotta sit there and do a couple passes before you can move on. With the Milwaukee one, we were able to clean it up, and it's just creating that great line.
The Milwaukee Edger is giving me an efficient production, quieter operation. It is meeting or exceeding gas edgers.
It'll ensure you a more productive day, and you'll finish more of the jobs like a lot quicker.
The speed on it is great. It can go whatever pace you need. It's not dragging you, it's not pulling you. It does most of the work for you.
The other one, it vibrates too much. You can do it faster. I mean, you can feel better with your body because it's real light.
The ergonomics with the Milwaukee Edger allows you to see your workspace better. It allows you to work longer because of the lightweight. It feels comfortable in your hands, and it just makes you want to keep using it.